Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about this super cute little toolkit for my son that I got. It is a 6-piece toolkit and it comes with a variety of tools. It comes with like this screw gun that works, with a little hammer. It comes with a wrench. It also comes with a saw and a like flathead screwdriver. And this little toolbox thing. It's so cute. I absolutely love this. My son loves this. He constantly is fixing things now with it, and whenever we're putting things together, he grabs his toolbox. So it's a super cute toolkit for them to be able to use. So I couldn't recommend this more. I think it's great. It's great for them to learn how to fix things as well. So definitely think you should check it out. And that is my point of view.